Hello, super students! Today we are going to learn how to make a simple sentence. First, let's see what a complete sentence really is. First, a complete sentence is a complete thought. So a sentence is a group of words that tell a complete thought. You must have a person or an animal or a thing or a place. Your sentence must answer the questions: who or what is this about? What are they doing? But how do we know if we made a complete sentence? Let's see this example.
Lena is taking photos.
Who is this about? Lena. What are they doing? She's taking photos. This is a complete thought, which means a complete sentence. Now let's see an example of an incomplete sentence.
The detective dog.
Who is this about? The detective dog. What are they doing? Well, nobody knows because we haven't said what they are doing. So this is an incomplete thought, which means an incomplete sentence. Second, a complete sentence must have the correct order.
Was in the office the bag.
Does this make sense to you? Was in the office the bag. Let's see how it would make sense. For a sentence to make sense, the who or what must be before the action, which is the verb, what they are doing. Let's see which sentence makes sense because it has the correct order.
The detective is in his office. In his office is the detective.
That's right. The detective is in his office. That is the correct answer because the who or what comes first. Think you deserve a badge. Third, your sentence must begin with a capital letter and have a punctuation mark at the end.
The dog is barking again. Jessie is working.
You can see here that both sentences start with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. Fourth, in what type of sentences do these punctuation marks go? Period goes at the end of a statement, a sentence that tells us something. Or a command that asks you to do something. A question mark for a sentence that asks something. An exclamation point for an exclamation, which is a sentence that shows enthusiasm. Fifth, now you are ready to make complete sentences. Remember, your sentences must answer who or what they are about. They must say what they are doing, the action, so you always need a verb. They must start with a capital letter. They must have a punctuation mark at the end. See you next time, super students!